In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting one of your apps and accessing it in the background. Then click on the icon of it at the top. Select Open in pop-up view. And as you can see now, I can use my app in this little window. To move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. In order to resize it, hold one of its corners. Pick a perfect size and let go. If you want to turn your app into a bubble, click on Home button. And to access it again, click on the bubble. Lastly, to close your window, you can drag it to Remove section. You can turn it into a bubble and drag it to read the same section at the bottom, or simply swipe it in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!